As an affiliate, I'm going to be introducing the affiliate and networking aspect of the program to you. But if you need money, if you need urgent 10k, 15k, 20k, I can guarantee you that within a day you can get it. Yes, it is possible. And at the end of the day, these platforms enables you to become a millionaire. But this is not magic. It's not meant for lazy people. You will need to work it out. Now let's make some little calculations together to have good understanding of what we are talking about. So assuming there's a product of 20,000 naira and you needed 10,000 naira. As a matter of fact, you needed 10,000 naira to take care of some things. And on this product of 20,000 naira, you have a commission of 4,000 naira. How many people do you think you will need to sell to earn the 10,000 naira that you needed? Of course, you say your answer is 3. Yes, even at 3, it's more than the 10,000 naira you needed, because you will be earning 12,000 naira with that. So that is exactly how it works. You can make your urgent money. So where do we get affiliate products to promote? We have this affiliate product on our platform. Ask me about digital products. You can check it out on our website www.adigitalpro.xyz. How do you promote this product? You can promote your product online, offline. As an affiliate, you inculcate the habit of always prospecting, always talking about your product, and always marketing the product. How you are going to succeed, how the program of Ask Me About Digital Products really works out. So on the platform, we have different products. So if you go to the website, you can go to all products and you will see diverse kind of products. We have courses like graphic designs, solar installations, website design, CCTV installations, video editing, digital marketing, Excel course, programming course, and so also musical instrument training. So each product has a point that is tagged to it. So if you are on the website right now, if you want to get the point that is tagged to a particular product, just scroll down below the website. You will see quick links and you will see product point checker. Just click and insert the amount of the product. You will get the point tag to that product. So each product has a point that is attached to it, and you can promote any of the products that you want. So every product has 30% direct commission, and also 20% that is capped for the network ranking, network sharing, gratitude, network commission. Don't worry, everyone that joined this platform will get this gratitude commission, which is 2 million naira. But it depends on how fast you are moving on the platform, how fast you are selling the product. This 2 million naira is a one-time payment apart from direct commission. And for you to get this 2 million naira gratitude bonus, you will need to build team and points. Now, let me quickly explain how you can access this 2 million naira in between 3 to 6 months. Please pay attention. Number one, we have said this earlier that every courses on Ask Me About Digital Product, a digital pro, has points tagged to them. For example, there is a course on our platform. Let's say, for example, the solar installation course on our platform. So this course is 30,000 naira. As an affiliate, you earn 30% of 30,000 naira, which is 9,000 naira. Isn't that amazing? And the point that is attached to this course is 100 points. So now, how do you translate these points to get you grades that will help you to attain this gratitude bonus of 2 million naira? How do you graduate your point and turn your point to the grade that will earn you that 2 million naira? To earn this gratitude bonus, you need to graduate. You need to rank up to level 7. You need to rise from level 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The moment you get your affiliate ticket, that is the moment you get yourself registered on the platform, you have actually scaled through level 1 and level 2. Now, if you sell this solar installation course, you earn 100 points, alright? And you only need 200 points to get to level 3. So this means that you only need to sell 2 of this solar installation course to be in level 3. That simply shows how easy it is to rank up on this platform. So once you are able to sell, for example, this solar installation course, which is 30,000 naira, and it will earn you 100 points. If you are able to sell 2 of these, you are in level 3, because you will end up earning 200 points that is required for you to be in level 3. So to earn the 2 million naira gratitude bonus is not far-fetched. You need to go to the website and click on the compensation plan, www.adigitalpro.xyz. Just click on the link and click on compensation plan and read. You will understand better. So now let's proceed. You only need 800 points to attain level 4. And this 800 points, you don't need to do this alone. If you go to the compensation plan, the rule says this 800 points should be your work and the work of your team members. So you need the team. So to be in level 4, you need the input, your own personal input, and the input of your team members. Now, let me quickly talk about the importance of working with team members, so as to earn you more points that will assist you to graduate on the platform. So now, by inviting anybody to join your team, to join the platform, what it means is that you are not selling the product, but you are selling the platform. So if you successfully invite a team member and the person registered himself by getting his affiliate ticket, you are entitled to the 30% of the affiliate ticket in form of cash. You will also get 17 points immediately. This platform is so fun to the extent that by selling just this affiliate ticket alone, you can grow your point and you can attain the 2 million naira gratitude bonus. As an affiliate, I don't encourage you to only sell just only affiliate ticket doing referrals. The program itself is basically for selling the products. And if you are selling just only the affiliate ticket, the point is low. Though you are moving, but it may take a little long before you get to the destination. Now, I want to round up by making this simple illustration. Imagine we have two people, and they are both affiliates. The first person is smart and is able to sell, let's say for example, the solar installation course. Is able to sell 2 of the course. Of course, he will earn himself 200 points, and he will also earn 9,000 naira in 2 places. Yes, all right. What it means is that with that 200 points, the first person is in level 3. All right. Now let's look the second person. So let's say the second person is not that smart in selling the course to the people, maybe because of its location or any other factor, but yet it doesn't have barriers. It can grow to that same level 3 by just selling affiliate tickets alone, that is by referrals alone, by asking people to join the platform, by selling the platform to people around. Now let's look at it in this way. If you sell 1 affiliate ticket, you are going to earn 17 points. Now the question is, how many of these affiliate tickets will he need to sell to attain to 200 points? So let's just do the calculation. So we just say 200 points divided by 17, 11.7 points, approximately 12 people. He will need to sell 12 affiliate tickets to attain that same level 3. So if the people are within his reach, he actually go ahead to take up the advantage and sell the tickets to the people, he will be in the same level, which is level 3. At the end of the day, both of them, the first person and the second person, end up achieving the same goal, but on a different route.